Hey guys, welcome to Mob Computer Rumors guys. In this episode of the Mob Computer Rumors, I'm going to share you with guys the price, release date and specs of the Oppo F7. Yeah guys, if you have already not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video and don't forget to share. Yeah guys, now let's get started. The Oppo F7 was launched in April 2018 and it runs Android 8.1. The smartphone is available in two colors, the solar red, the moonlight silver and the diamond black. Has a built fingerprint sensor as a primary security feature, along with the host connectivity option as 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth capabilities. The phone is available with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. The smartphone is powered by octa-core chip by Oppo, a 6 GB of RAM ensure phones run smoothly even most memory intensive application and still show no signs of lag. Means that's good. If you have a 6 GB of RAM rather than 4 GB of RAM, then it's a plus point for phone because the phone runs without any lag or without any problem, and it also saves the application in background. Yeah guys, 128 gigabytes of internal storage can also be expanded to 256 gigabyte via a micro card slot. Yeah, via micro card mean memory card or memory card. Yeah, the phone comes with a large 3400 mAh battery to support its 6.23 inches screen with a full HD display having a resolution of 1080 multiplied by 2280. The screen is also protected by durable scratch resistant glass known as Gorilla Glass 5. Yeah guys, the Oppo F7 comes with a 16 megapixel of rear camera which can shoot 4K at 30 fps and 25 megapixel of front camera which also shoot the video in better quality, mean in good quality, in full HD, or it can also shoot in 4K. I don't know that much. Yeah guys, it also have a face detection, means phone unlocked by your face, and but it is not reliable as the iPhone X or iPhone 10, means it has a 2D face detection, no 3D face detection like in the iPhone 10, and no other phone has this, and have HDR. Yeah guys, the phone is similar to the iPhone X, but the thing in iPhone X don't have in this phone. For example, this phone has a chin. The other phones have also chins, but the iPhone is the only one, the phone with the no chin, because the Apple folded the display and the wires which connect the display are under the display, but it is very expensive, so the Chinese market do not apply this on their phone because they have to sell it for cheaper. That is also the reason why the iPhone X is very costly. If you want to buy this phone, means iPhone, means the Oppo F7, then I think this is the best phone you can get right now. Yeah guys, it will launch in the April 20 on Pakistan, and in India it has already launched and it costs 26,990, almost 27,000 rupees, but in Pakistan you will get it about 35 to 36,000 Pakistani rupees. Yeah, this phone is available in 128 gigabyte version and in solar red, moonlight silver and diamond black. Means solar red mean a red color, moonlight silver mean a silver, and diamond black mean black. A solar, moonlight, this is nothing, a red, a silver and a black option in India and also in Pakistan. This one comes with a notch, which many people don't like, but I think this is the trend. Don't we should ignore the notch, and we should means like the notch. Yeah, as we can see this trend of the notch, as we don't have the technology to hide the notch, we have to means compensate with the notch. Yeah guys, I think that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, because I will upload good videos like this one, and I uploaded good videos like this one. You can also check my account back there. Yeah guys, please subscribe to my channel. I need your help guys to make my channel bigger like the other YouTubers, and this can be possible by you guys, by my audience. Yeah guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Talk to you guys in next one. Peace out.